My passion and work is to take people from the fear of sharks to the fascination of them. Every day of the year, I interact intimately with the ocean. For up to 12 hours a day, I'm underwater. I see how our daily choices and actions affect the environment. Something as small as sunscreen has a devastating effect on our coral reefs and ocean ecosystems. That's why I only use biodegradable sunscreens. Just like our bodies, there's a natural balance that needs to be maintained to keep everything going the way it should. Sharks are important because they're a vital, essential component of healthy oceans, and they need to be protected. That's why I've devoted my life to ocean conservation, focusing on sharks, because they're one of the most threatened species of animal on the planet, and they're heavily impacted by human choices. If we don't do something to change our actions right now, they may not be around. Everybody can play a part in this and being conscious about their daily consumption, what kind of products they're using that have byproducts that are derivatives from marine animals. So through the program One Ocean, we scientifically study the sharks. The program is open to the public, so people can actually come out and learn about the sharks. And we share this information for the benefit of the community on how to peacefully coexist with the animals, and also because it inspires conservation for those animals. I think I'm really a conscious consumer. I would never use a product that's harmful to an animal. There's so many ways to choose good, non-harmful ways of living. Feels good to do good.